Come back. Come back is to return to a place you were before. Come back simply means to return, but it carries a warm, everyday feeling. Americans use it constantly when talking about returning home, returning to work, returning to school, returning to a store, or returning from a trip. Now it can be short term, I'll come back in a minute, or long term. She came back after a year abroad. It also works emotionally or conversationally. Let's come back to the topic. Or, I hope he comes back soon. This is a friendly, natural verb you'll hear all day long. Some examples are, I'll come back later. She came back from vacation yesterday. When will you come back home? He came back to the office after lunch. We came back because we forgot our keys. Now repeat after me. Come back. Come back. Come back. In the past, we would say, came back. Came back. Came back. I'll come back soon. She came back yesterday. When are you coming back?